Well, thank you, everybody. My name is Rabby Yang, and ever since I was young, I realized I have a very special power, an extrasensory ability to detect color. And today, I'm demonstrating that exact power using this cube and the help of Alyson Hannigan. Let's give her a round of applause. Alyson, very nice to meet you. My name is Rabby. Would you please come behind the table? And Alyson, there are 6 colors on the cube. There's white, red, blue, yellow, green, and orange. Do you know how many different combinations this cube can make?
A lot.
A lot is a good answer. 43 quintillion. Wow. Slightly less than my college tuition. So what that means is that, every time this cube is turned, it's likely to form a pattern that probably never existed before. Isn't that crazy to think about? It's like every turn you're making history.
Yeah.
But today I'm gonna ask you to do something a little bit different. Instead of playing with it right here, I'm going to take this cube, put it behind your back, and turn it around just like so. Can you do that for me?
Yes.
Here, please take the cube. Of course, I'll look away for this whole time. And, once you feel ready, you may bring the cube out, place it on the table, cover all the sides except the top. So the only people who can see that side are you and the people watching at home.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Alyson, I want you to focus on that side and focus on the colors. I'm feeling 5 colors total on that side. Can you do a quick count? Is that right?
Yes.
All right, which means, because we said there are 6 colors total, so there's 1 color that is missing, and I think that color is red.
Yes.
Oh, very interesting. You know what, let's try it one more time. Alyson, please, on the table, just flip the cube to another side that you like.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. That's very interesting, Alyson. I think on this side, there are 3 whites.
Yes.
2 blues, 2 greens, and 2 oranges. Oh, no, 1 orange and 1 red.
Yes.
Here, show everyone. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's perfect. Well, thank you so much, Alyson. I may take the cube. And you know what? That was actually just a warm-up for me. Now we are finally building onto the big thing. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I know I am. Are you excited? Yes. Okay. Alyson, come with me. All right. Alyson, you remember how you turned the cube behind your back earlier?
Yes.
Could you just do that for me one more time, and I'll look away for this whole time?
Sure, behind my back.
Yeah, behind your back.
Okay.
And again, once you feel ready, you may bring the cube out and cover all the other sides.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Now, Alyson,
Yeah.
you can look at that side. You know what? I'm giving you this ultimate decision. If you don't like that side, you can flip to another side that you want to. You don't have to, but it's your choice.
Sure. Okay.
Did you flip?
Yes.
Very well. Alyson, focus on that side. I'm going to turn back. Do not let me see the cube when I turn back, okay? Awesome. Now, I'm going to turn back. Focus on the colors. I want you to do this. Focus on one of the colors first.
Okay.
Okay. Another one, please.
Okay.
Just one more.
Okay.
You know what? Let's do one more. And I think there's one last color on there.
Yes.
Okay. Alyson, would you please come close to the board and put your cube to that side right next to the board? Show everyone. When you have 2 blues, I have 2 blues, we have 2 greens, that's 2 greens, red, that's 2 white. That is a perfect match. My name is Rabby Yang. That was the power of color reading. Thank you so very much. Hi, my name is Rabby Yang. I'm from Berkeley, California, and I'm a professor of magic. I came from Beijing, China when I was 14 years old, and I spoke really bad English. I had a hard time making friends at school, but this one time I was fiddling with my deck of cards and people thought it was interesting. It was a big lesson for me. I decided that language separates us, and magic is a better way to communicate. I have a list of rules I've created, which anyone can learn. Smile, relax, milk the moment. When I got into Berkeley, I designed a course in magic and got permission to teach it, full course credit. So, Penn Teller prepared to go back to school.
You know, I'll never be able to solve this. But
Well,
thank you for it.
It's a good, art piece to display
Yeah.
at home, I suppose.
So do you always work with the puzzle cubes?
Oh, no. Actually, typically what I do is a stage sleight of hand manipulation.
Oh, really?
And then this is the first time ever I perform a mentalism routine on stage.
Oh, really?
So I'm trying to stretch myself a little bit for this theater.
Am I correct in you just turned 21?
I did just turn 21
And
in
you're
September.
in Vegas. Happy
I am in
birthday.
Vegas. Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, and just a point about that, people saying magicians have a better chance of winning card games. That's not true. Yeah.
So let's see if the guys have figured
Yeah,
out how you
sure.
did your trick.
You've caused us a lot of consternation. We are not agreeing on this.
Oh, okay.
Teller has one way you did it. I have another way you did it.
Okay.
We agree we liked the trick. No doubt about that. I don't care about what we agree about. We're going to the disagreement. I have a way I think you might have done it. I got that way. Teller's got a way he thinks you might have done it.
Okay.
I'm the one speaking. I get to choose which one we go with because we don't get two bites of the apple. And we're going to go with Teller. That way, if he's wrong, I still keep some of my dignity. I can still believe that maybe I was right. So maybe you fooled him, but you didn't fool me. So I'm going to tell you what Teller thinks.
Okay.
Because I want Teller to be humiliated if he's wrong. Teller thinks all this was done by you having an earpiece and an accomplice backstage. Let me phrase this very carefully. Is Teller wrong?
That I'm having an earpiece?
Do you have an earpiece or do you have someone backstage?
Nope, that was all done by myself.
No,
And no
earpiece
involved.
No one backstage.
Yes.
In that case, you fooled Teller. Therefore, you fooled us.
If you've forgotten how awesome our headliners are, they'll refresh your memory after this. Penn and Teller coming up next. We gotta go, but come back for more mind-shattering illusions next time on Penn and Teller